Sri Lankans surely love their tea. But with every good cup of tea goes a little bit of sweet treat. Ceylon is full of amazing sweets. This one here is known as Halapeya. Let's find out how it's made.
It all starts with some fresh coconuts being grated with plenty of love. Later on, an aluminum pan is heated and sugar is added, which is then turned into hot caramel. Once the caramel has reached the right texture, the coconut is gently added.
දැන් සීනි ටික උණු කරලා පොල් ටික දාන්න හදන්නේ. උණු මම දානවා.
Once the mixture is taken off the fire and cooled down, flour is gently added.
Check this out. This is a leaf of the canda tree, and it serves two purposes in the Halapeya. Number one, it is the wrapper, which means no polythene, no celluloid, no foil, just an organic leaf to wrap this thing in. But more than being a wrapper, this leaf gives the Halapeya a super specific taste, which adds to the magic.
ඊට පස්සේ බාලා අනිත් පැත්ත හරවලා ආපහු අපි විනාඩි 45ක් විතර තම්බනවා.
Guys, this is gonna be the freshest Halapeya you're ever gonna get. Fresh off the fire. This stuff is awesome. Thank you very much.
And hey, last but not least, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking here, and also do activate the notification bell so that you know when we uploaded a new clip. If you like our content, please also feel free to share it on your social media handles and help us to spread the love and positivity. Hopefully, this pandemic will soon go away and we all will be able to jump back on a plane and travel the world. See you soon.